Hi guys! Historical K-drama feels unlocked talaga dito sa bago kong nakainan. Kasi aside from the Korean flavors na buffet style that they offer, may pa-handbook experience pa. Tapos 799 per head lang ng Mondays to Thursday. And 899 per head naman kapag Fridays to Sunday and holidays. Ito nga pala ang Namsan Korean Barbecue na located sa Eastfield Center, Pasay City. Modern at cozy ang interior. Clean ang setup, may warm vibes at ideal for hangouts or family gatherings. Dito sa Namsan, may wide selection of beef, pork, and chicken na plain and marinated. And yes, may iba't ibang seafoods din. Pwede kang pumili ng sarili mong toppings or go with their ready-made combos for your hot pot experience. May 2 choices of soup base din. Sauce and side station dito sa area naman na to. May mga fruits, cheesy pineapple sausage, and itong mixed fruit with milk na ang sarap. Tapos may steam egg din sila. So namili at kumuha na ako ng pagkain para sa table namin. Ang convenient kasi may pa-cart sila. Hindi mo na kailangan magpabalik-balik para lang kumuha ng food. At oo, lahat ng to ay unlimited. Pati beer kasama. May unlimited Shin Ramyun at buldak din sila. Kaya sa mga mahilig sa spicy ramen, this one's for you. Pwede ka kumuha ng topping sa buffet area. Craving satisfied talaga, lalo na dito sa kinuha naming Shin Ramyun na overload sa toppings. At meron din sila ditong Janggi, na in English is grilled eel, na malinamnam at juicy. Charcoal lang gamit nila dito para sa smoky and perfectly grilled taste. Unlimited ang beer, soft drinks, and refreshments. Cheers for our small wins. And ice cream is also included sa only offer. 3-hour time limit for dine-in, and ang opening hours naman is 11 AM to 2 AM. And oo nga pala, itong mga to, excluded na to sa unlimited offer. So finally, this is my first ever handbook experience. Hindi nga lang sa Korea, pero okay na to. Ang lakas maka Joseon era, saktong-sakto at bagay na kami nilihon. So kung gusto mo din ng handbook experience at unlimited buffet na Korean barbecue, that's sulit for every occasion, mag Namsan Korean Barbecue ka na din. Ayun lang, bye-bye!